Today we solve such question where sine theta is equal to root 3 by 2 is given, and we have to find all the other values of trigonometric ratios for such angle theta. Let us see how we solve such question now. First of all, we have to draw a right angle triangle. And for this angle theta, this is perpendicular, this is base, and this is hypotenuse. Now here sine theta equals, we know that perpendicular by hypotenuse, which is given root 3 by 2. It means P equal to, जो perpendicular है, it is root 3 and h equals 2. Now by applying Pythagoras theorem, if I name this triangle A, B and C, then AC का square equals AB का square plus BC का square. AC is given as 2 का square, AB is given as root 3 according to question, so root 3 का square plus BC का square. Now 4, 2 का square 4, root 3 square is 3 plus BC is B, so B square. This 3 goes to that side, B square equals 4, the plus sign is changes to minus sign on transposing. 4 minus 3 is 1, so B equal to root 1, which is 1. Now let us find the other values of T ratios for angle theta. We have given sine theta. Now we have to calculate cos theta, which is base by hypotenuse. Here base we have to calculate, it is 1, so 1 by h is 2, 1 by 2. Tan theta, which is equals perpendicular by base, here perpendicular is root 3, so it is root 3 and base is 1 by 1, which is root 3. Now we have to calculate cosec theta, which is just opposite of sine theta, which is h by p, that is 2 by root 3. Now we have to calculate the other values, that is it is opposite of cos theta, that is sec theta, which is equal to hypotenuse by base. Here hypotenuse is 2 and base is 1, which is also 2. And last one is cot theta, which is opposite of tan theta, that is b by p, that is 1 by root 3. So in this way we have to find the other all values of T ratios for an angle theta. Thank you.